Hello guys, this is Autosocials and today I'm going to show you how you can archive a conversation on Messenger. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to show you how you can archive it and not delete it. It's really easy. The first thing that you need to do is just head over onto your Messenger app and find the conversation that you want to archive. For example, I want to archive the first one. What I need to do is just press it and hold, and as you can see right here, a menu pops up with a bunch of options. The first one being archive. Once I've pressed archive, now the conversation should be archived. In order to find it, I just need to type in the conversations, the person who I was conversating with, and I should find it. And once I message that person again, the conversation should show up in this menu once again. So let's just do that. So I'm going to search for him, open up our conversation, just send a little dot. And as you can see right here, the conversation appears right again. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. This is how you can archive a conversation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.